Hello people, here Mr. Merlos greeting you all. I'm here again for explaining you a little bit about how you're going to perform the activity for this week. Basically what you have to do is enter to this link. You're gonna find it here along with this video explanation. And when you click on it, you're gonna enter to ESL Fast one more time. But this time, right, you're going to get to another section of the same page. Specifically one that is full of conversations, right? So this is basically a type of exercise where you're going to check out different conversations and you're going to analyze these conversations and try to look for the pragmatical elements that we're going to be describing in the content of the class. If you check out the material for this week, you're going to find that English has to do a lot with meaning that is not stated directly in the words that we use, but it's mostly related to how we use the words, the context in which we use them, and the personal or group meaning that we give to these words. So I would like that you try to make that analysis by clicking in the conversations. There are different topics of conversations. In each of them, you're gonna find a series of conversations related to that topic. So that when you click on them, right, you can read right what that conversation is about, and you're gonna try to look for an element, right? Read the conversations and try to look for one situation that can be described as one of the things that has to do with the pragmatical elements. So how we're going to identify the pragmatical elements? By paying attention to the content very closely, and also the other option is being in the video conference this week where I am going to explain them carefully, so in a way you can find those examples here in the conversation. You're going to take one section of the conversation, you're going to copy it right in a different document, and then you're going to describe why you consider that section of the conversation corresponds to the pragmatical element that is described in the content. So please, right, don't miss right class this week, and I hope that the video conference will clarify everything well. If not, remember that I'm gonna post the recording of the class, or you can try to communicate with me as soon as possible. And that's it, right? This activity is an activity that is going to be performed in groups, right? 3 members, the maximum. So it could be in pairs, but no more than 3 people. And one groups of 4 people, right? The largest has to be 3 members or 2 members, right? The smallest. Individual work, well, I think that individual work is allowed, but you take responsibility about that, right, score that you're going to get, remember? And if you work in groups, right, you have more possibilities of advancing quickly and getting right the correct right answers for this exercise. Thank you very much for paying attention, guys, and please, right, try to clarify any doubt that you could have in the time being, right, for developing this activity. Goodbye and have a nice day.